Alright, good morning to you all. Good morning. This is the voice of King David Samson. Alright, so this video tutorial I'll be learning how we can create this design, this ember sales estate design. Alright, so now firstly we want to change our size. Let's just off it. Let's just off it. So we are going to change the width to 2200 and then the height to 2700. Okay, so now we are going to bring in our background. I'm going to bring in this background, this one. We're going to be using this one. No, sorry, I'm going to be using this background, this one here. Yeah, it's what we are going to use. Okay, so now we are going to bring it like this and then still extend it to this extent. Understand? Then make sure it's at the middle. Now what we want to do is to go to our photo room and then we are going to remove the background for that house. You get? So this is the house. This is the house. So we are going to remove the background. We are going to use this house. You understand? This is the house that we're going to use. Now I'm going to remove the background. Alright, so just remove. So we're going to confirm it and then transparent and then just remove. So we export it. Alright, so once it's done, we'll go back and then we'll bring in our rest of my data. So we bring in the house. Understand? So you bring it in. So you're now going to copy this way and then this way. We're going to increase it and then bring it now. Let's pin this background. I'm going to bring it down here. Bring it down here. Alright, so now we're going to click on it and then we're going to erase this stuff here. You understand? We're going to erase it. So let's zoom it. Alright, so now let's erase it. Let's erase it. Alright, so that is okay. That's okay. Now let's check the other one. Let's check the other one, which is this one. Let's just erase it this way. Let's just erase it. You get? Alright, so we have something like this. So now we are going to bring in our shadow effect so that you show that it's like a shadow there. Well, let's increase it. Let's see how we can increase it. Okay, let's reduce it this way. So now we're going to bring in our shadow effect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share too. You understand? Make sure you share this video. Alright, so I'm going to go to my downloads, then bring in this shadow effect. Alright, and then I'm going to change the color to black. I'll change it to black. Alright, so I'm going to bring it this way, and then rotate it like this, and then you go to my 3D effects and make sure it's applying on the floor. Okay, then come to this my rotate, make sure it's this way, and I'll reduce it. Bring it this way like this. I'll still reduce it. Now let's see how we can make it. We can rotate it to fit well. Okay. Alright. Now let's push it close. Now the first code for today is 0. Right. 0 is the first code for today. You do it to note that down. Alright. Good. So now we're just going to do it this way. Then we're going to reduce the opacity. Bring it down here. Okay, the opacity, and then select it, bring it to the front. You get? So bring it to the front like this. Alright, so it's okay. Let's leave it this way. So now next we want to do is to bring in this our hand. And then I'm going to reduce it and then put it this way. Alright, so now we're going to write our ember. Let's write our ember sales. Yeah. Let's write our ember sales. Let's do this. Let's write our ember sales. Okay, ember sales. I'm going to increase the size and then change it to brown. So the actual designer for this, I can't remember his name, right? But then I saw his work on Facebook, and then I just liked it, and then I just saved the work. You get? So I didn't actually, I forgot to check the name. So I'm not the real designer, right? So credit to the designer, so it's not me. All right, so now should we use this font, or let's use something else? Let's try something else. Let's see. Nope. Let's see. Let's try some other fonts, or you can still go with that. That font is actually okay too. You can still go with that. So this is just you can still go with that. Let's go with that. Let's go with this Ember. All right, now Ember sales. This one will be in uppercase. Okay, and I'm going to increase the size. I think it will be the same font with this. Yes, it will be in the same font. Let's see what it will give us. Here's the font we used just now. This is it. Yeah, I'm going to change the color to this Ember sales. I think you should still do so. Let's leave it this way, right? Then let's position it to the middle. Okay, so now we're going to copy this, then we are going to rotate it. Going to come to this place and then rotate it like this. Then you're going to reduce it and then put it here. You understand? Put it here. So now the next thing I want to do is to bring in okay, to bring this estate logo. To bring in this estate logo, and then you're going to erase the white color. So click on this erase color, select it automatically to select white, so you just increase it but not everything. All right, not everything. So do it like this, and then you reduce it and put it up here. All right, you put it up here, so make sure it's at the middle. So you come to this this relative side, and then click on here so that you be sure it's at the middle. You get? So the next thing we want to do is to bring in our shape, and then we're going to reduce it like this, and then bring it like this, and then like this. Let's reduce the radius a little bit, then bring it like this. All right, let's bring it like this, so you have something here down here. All right, so you're going to change the color to let's steal the color from the actual design. This is it. This is the redesign. So it's actually gradient safe. It's gradient. The color is gradient. So let's use gradient. Let's select gradient, and then this gradient, let's click on this black one, then select this one. All right, and then click on this, select the red one, the dark one. You get? So now I'm going to do it this way. Alright, so I'm going to do it this way, and then I'm going to bring this I'm going to bring this thing like this. Then I'm going to alright, so I'm going to bring something like this. Where is my shadow? My inner shadow. Let's do something like this, right? Or let's use the shadow instead. No, the inner shadow will be better. So let's select the inner shadow, select white. Alright, this is okay. So now this guy we are bringing to the front. Alright, so now once you bring the guy to the front, let's see how we can reduce this, then bring it here. No, still increase it, but then you reduce this one here, and then bring it down here. Get? Then this guy here, let's see how you can take it up. Alright, so now you have something good. Okay, let's bring it down. Alright, so now in this place you have something like let's check the redesign. Let's bring it to the front. Alright, so you have something like this. So now Ember sales, and then this. Alright, so on all our estate buildings, your dream homes is now closer than ever. Okay, from all our estate world from all our estate building, your dream home is now closer. From all our estate building, your dream home is now closer. Alright, your dream home is now closer. Alright, so the second code is 1. You get the second code is 1. So do well to note the codes down. Okay, so now let's hide this. Let's hide this. Then this one, we're going to bring it like this, and then change the color to black. Or let's leave this way, and reduce it like this. Okay, now this one you're going to take it up. This one you're going to take it up. This one too up. This guy here, bring it down here. Alright, so now next thing we want to do is to bring in our PNG. That is our clip PNG. This guy here. So now you're going to reduce it, put it down here, and then you're going to change the color to brown. Let's try something darker, color filter, and then you have something like this. No. Let's see. Need something like this, and then you just click here. No. And then you just see how you can just make it brown. You get. Okay, so something like that. And then this one, you are going to select our shadow effect. Here is our shadow. That our shadow. Let us position it well again, because like it's not visible again. So now I'm going to copy it and then bring it here. Do it normal. Let it be normal. So at 0. This one too at 0. Alright, so it's normal now. So now as it's normal like this, let's put it here like this. Okay, so you're also going to copy it and then bring it down here like this. Alright, bring it down here, then use 3D effect to bend it. Okay, then rotate it like this and bring it down here, so that you can have that, you understand, that shadow as if the man is on it. You get. Now let's reduce it like this, and then let's position it. Okay, yeah, bring it down here. So now this man, now I'm going to bring it to the front. And then the shadow, I'm going to position it to here. Okay, so we're almost done. And this one too, we are going to position it well. Alright, so next thing I want to do is to change this font. I don't like it. Let's change the font to something good, something better. Alright, so the third code is 3. So do well to note that down. Okay, so now let's choose a font. Okay, now this one I'm going to reduce the line spacing. It's too much. Then let's see how we can make it to be. Let's see how I can increase it like this. Alright, so we're almost done. So next thing we want to do is to put in our text, the number, and then let's see, to the front. Let's see, I can bring it to the front. Alright, so what we want to do now is to 30% discount, and okay, send us a DM here. I think that is all. So we'll be done. That is all. So now you're going to hide it. Then go to put in. I want to edit this thing. I want to put a color gradient here, whereby you have something like this and then something like this, so that this one here will be brown. Okay, why this one here will be this color. You understand? Will be this color. So let's see what we get. Alright, this is what we get. Now let's make this one more like dark. Get. So this is it. But let's make it to be not too much dark, but then we color brown. You get what I mean? Alright, so let's pick this. Let's see what it gives us. Alright, so this is what it gives us, and then this color, let's change it to stay the same. Alright, so this is what it gives us. Okay. So now I'm going to write our 30% discount. We're almost done now. 30% discount. 30% discount. And then we're going to bring it down here. We're going to go to our alignments here, align, then make it to the center. Then change the color to still white now. Let's just change the font. Let's change the font. Let's use this next side heading for the font. Then let's reduce it. Then let's position it well. Okay. Then let's see how we can reduce the line spacing. Then I don't like this font. Let's change it to be. Let's change to something else. I want to change it to this one here. Then let's bold it. Let's use this. But this 30 should be big. So let us just remove it. Then let's just put our discount there. Then reduce the size of the discount. Reduce the size and then position it to. Alright, so now let's push this shadow effect. Alright, so now we are going to write in our 30%. Okay, so now we're going to change the font size to this. Let's still use this guy here. Then let's position it well. Alright, let's position it well. Aha, perfect. So this is it. Let's bring in the discount down. Alright, so 30% discount. My this now scatter. Let me open it again. Scatter. Let me open it again. Oh, wow. Honestly, I don't know why it's like this. Honestly. Let's check recover last. Alright, so this is it. So this is it. I covered the one that saved automatically before. So I'm going to cancel this 30% discount. And then the font, I'm going to bold it. I'm going to reduce the size. Alright, so I'm going to position it well. And then let's increase it. And then this here. I'm going to write in my 30% discount. 30% discount. Just 30%. Then I'm going to change the font to this. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to push it down. Yeah. Alright. So now we have something like this, 30% discount. Okay. So you have something like this. Now once you are done like this, so let's see how we can. Our 30% is now from all our estate building. Your dream home is now closer. I think there is something to be added. Your dream home is now closer than ever. I know there's something to that. Your dream home. Let's increase this. Your dream home is now closer than ever before. And I think it's in uppercase, right? It's in uppercase. Yeah, they are in uppercase. So now let's hide it. And then this guy, let's increase the size. I'm going to increase the size. Alright, this guy increase the size. Okay. Then select the guy. The shadow should be white. let it have a shadow, and shadow should be white. Okay, and then take it up like this, and then the shadow, to the black shadow, to take it up, and then the 30% you increase the size, and then take it up too. Alright, so now this discount too, take it up, we'll increase the size too. Alright, so that's it, we have it there. That's how we have it there. So now this one, I'm going to edit it, put E, then let's take it to be uppercase, this one too, uppercase. Alright, so now you have something like this. Now I want to change the font, because this font is too dark, you understand? So let's remember, do not use more than 3 fonts in the design. Do not use more than 3 fonts in the design. So now I'm going to use this one, just this one. So how many fonts have you used now? If you use this Ember 1, if you use this 2, and then this 3, you get. So now do not use more than 3 fonts. Now let's use this line spacing like this, and then let's see how we can increase it and then reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Let's add some. Alright, so now this is it. Now let's increase the line spacing. Let's increase it, and then let's position it well. So we're almost done. Almost done. So the third design, the code for the third design, third code, sorry, is also 1. You get, so also 1. Alright, so now we are done with this. Then next thing we want to do last is to send us a DM. Is it send us a DM? Let's see. Send us a DM. Then position it here. Now, to the front. Now go to change the font to something that this guy here. We're going to use this guy here too. Send us a DM. Sorry. Alright, so let us see. Okay, send us a DM here. Alright, so that is what they use. Send us a DM here. I think that is it. So send us a DM here. So you see, this was actually using Pixel Lab. You get. So do not say because you are using Pixel Lab you cannot make good designs. No, a lot of beautiful designs can be made on Pixel Lab. You understand? So that is that. Alright, so now I'm going to write in my text my number. Alright, 70. Okay, and this is my number. I'm going to write it, and then I'm going to put it here. You get. Then I'm going to change the font size to something. I can also use something different, like this guy here. No, I don't like the way it is. Let's see, try and use this laser heavy. Yeah, let's try and use it. So now I'm going to make sure it's at the middle. Then I'm going to increase it like this, and then I'm going to position it well. Alright, so this is it. So we are done. Let's put this one down. Alright, so make sure everything is very aligned. Make sure it's aligned. Then this guy here, let's see how we can reduce the color. You don't want the color to be that white, you understand? So now you have something like this. So I want to also do something. This shadow effect, I want to copy it. No, this second one, I want to copy it, and then I'm going to increase it, and then I'm going to change the color to white. Alright, and then the opacity, I'm going to increase it like this. I'm going to increase it here. Sorry. I'm going to increase it here. Let's do something like this. Alright, so let's copy it and then put it here like this. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Can we leave it this way? Let's leave it this way now. But then we're going to bring this 30% forward to the front. No, let us not put it here. Let's just put it here. Alright, so This is okay. This is okay. So let's just save our work. Let's save our work. Let's save it. Alright. So you can go ahead and process it, like edit it. You understand? You can go ahead and edit it. Now let's edit using snap speed. Let's edit using snap speed. Alright, so you see this accent rate. Let's check it. Nope, I don't like it. I don't like it. So let's come to this tool. See these details, click on it, and then let's increase the structure, but not too much. Let's just leave it as 20. Don't make it should be too much. And also these details, don't also make it to be too much. You understand? So let's leave it as 11. You can see the difference. Let's leave it as 11. You can see the before, and then you can see the after. If you look closely, it's actually different. So now you can come to this saturation, this brush here, select this saturation, reduce it to 5, and then you do it like this. You do it like this to saturate it, to bring out the color. You understand? I like using this, honestly. I like using this. You see that you bring out the color, honestly. Bring out the color. So now you are done. So I just have to click on here, export as. Don't forget export as. Then you save it. The work is saved. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do have a wonderful day. And yes, I forgot. The last code is 0. Yes, the last code is 0. So do well to drop a post on my DM and get resources. Thank you very much.